In this video, we're going to learn about Python's new assignment expression operator. Some people call it the Walrus Operator because it looks like a walrus's face turned sideways. What it does is it lets you return the value of a variable assignment and use it as an expression. Some people think it's controversial, but I like it because in certain situations it can make your code shorter, more readable, and it can remove some repeated function calls. So let's look at some examples of when the Walrus Operator is useful. So the first example, I'm just going to create a variable and print it out. And that just works the way we'd expect. So now let's try and assign a value to a variable and print it out at the same time using the Walrus Operator. So this one line is going to do the same as these two lines combined. So what this will do is it will assign the variable x the value of 1, 2, 3. And because we use the Walrus Operator, this will return an expression which we can print out. So this is going to print out 1, 2, 3. So that wasn't very useful. So let's look at a more useful example. So one place where the Walrus Operator is useful is in comprehensions. So I'll show you a simple list comprehension. So this is just going to create a list of numbers counting from 0 up to 9. So now imagine we tried to perform an operation on these numbers. So I'm going to create a function called square, and it's just going to take a number and multiply it by itself. So now we're going to try and apply this operation to each number in the range. So let's try and create a list of square numbers now. So if we run this is going to do exactly the same as up here, except it's going to square each number before it puts in the list. So now let's say we only wanted to add square numbers if they're even. So if we run this again and we just say if the square number is even, we'll add it to the list. So now we're only getting even square numbers in the list. But what you can see here is we've used the square function twice. So if this was a more expensive operation, you can see how this would hurt our program's performance. So let's run this again, except now this time we're going to use the Walrus Operator. So here we're creating a variable called y and we're setting it equal to the squared value of x. And then down here at the very start of our list comprehension, we can reference our y variable instead of squaring the number a second time. Now y is going to be equal to the squared value of x, and we run this and we're doing the exact same thing, except we're calling our square function half as many times. And you can see we get exactly the same result, except this one would have been much faster. The final place where the Walrus Operator can make your code better is in loops. So if we look at this code here, I have two different examples. They both do exactly the same thing, and this second example uses the Walrus Operator and the first one doesn't. So all we're doing is we're creating a loop and we're asking someone for their name, and if their name is exit, we'll just break out of the loop. That's how we exit our program. And otherwise we're just going to print out hello and then the person's name. So you can see that this code is much more verbose. We had to use an infinite loop, and the only way to break out of it is to use this break keyword. If we use the Walrus Operator, we get a much more concise loop. You can see it's a while loop, except it's not an infinite while loop as we can see up here. And all we do is we ask the user for their name, we store it in the name variable, and that expression is then returned using the Walrus Operator. And then it's compared with exit. So if it's equal to exit, this condition will be false and the loop will exit. So if we just run the original version first, you can see it works. And now we run the new version. It works exactly the same, except the new version is shorter. It didn't require this break statement, and it didn't require us to use an infinite loop. So those are some advantages of Python's new Walrus Operator. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.